Sa-e-Pol, also spelled Saripul, is one of the 34 provinces of Afghanistan, located in the north of the country. It borders Jowzjan and Balkh to the west and north, Ghor to the south, and Samangan to the east. The province is divided into 7 districts and contains 896 villages. It has a population of about 632,000, which is multi-ethnic and mostly a tribal society. The province was created in 1988. With the support of northern Afghan politician Syed Nasim Mihampras. The city of Sa-e-Pol serves as the provincial capital. Between the early 16th century and the mid-18th century, the territory was ruled by the Khanate of Bukhara. It was given to Ahmad Shah Durrani by Murad Beg of Bukhara after a treaty was signed in or about 1750, and became part of the Durrani Empire. It was ruled by the Durranis followed by the Barakzai dynasty. The area was untouched by the British during the 3 Anglo-Afghan wars that were fought in the 19th and 20th centuries. It remained peaceful for about 100 years until the 1980s Soviet-Afghan War. During the Afghan Civil War, the area was controlled by forces loyal to Abdul Rashid Dostum. It was captured by the Taliban in 1998. Aminullah Amin, the first senior member of the Taliban to be captured, was the former governor of the province. Swedish-led provincial reconstruction team. The Afghanistan-Turkmenistan border is maintained by the Afghan border police while law and order for the rest of the province is provided by the NATO-trained Afghan National Police. In 2009, the provincial police chief stated that weapons had been collected from many people and 3 districts, namely Sangcharak, Gosfandi, and Sozama Kala areas termed as the peaceful districts of the province. In operations against militants, the police chief said they had arrested a prominent Taliban commander Mullah Nader along with 11 other people during the recent operations. He said scores of kilograms of hashish and opium had also been seized from people during the operations. The biggest threat to travelers in Sa-e-Pol province remains highway bandits and thieves, corrupt militiamen and police, and road hazards. The Taliban have small cadres operating throughout the province but rely on larger support networks in neighboring provinces. On August 8, 2021, the Taliban regained control of the provincial capital. The current governor of the province is Abdul Haq Shafaq. The city of Sa-e-Pol serves as the capital of the province. All law enforcement activities throughout the province are managed by the Afghan National Police. The provincial police chief represents the Ministry of the Interior in Kabul. The ANP is backed by other Afghan national security forces, including the NATO-led forces, Syed Anwar Rahmati, Aziza Jalis, Syed Anwar Sadat, Muhammad Hossain Fahimi, Syed Muhammad Hossain Sharifi Balkhabi, and Haji Khair Muhammad Imak are the current Walisi Jirga members. They represent Sa-e-Pol province in the Afghan National Assembly in Kabul. The percentage of households with clean drinking water increased from 8% in 2005 to 15% in 2011. The percentage of births attended to by a skilled birth attendant increased from 0% in 2005 to 20%. In 2011, the overall literacy rate increased from 12% in 2005 to 23% in 2011. The overall net enrollment rate increased from 22% in 2005 to 46% in 2011. Sa-e-Pol is a mountainous province, especially in its southern part. It covers an area of 16,360 kilometers. 3/4 of the province is mountainous or semi-mountainous terrain while 1/7 of the area is made up of flat land. The province is divided into 7 districts, containing 896 of villages. As of 2021, the total population of the province is about 632,000. Mining and agriculture are the main industries of the province. The government of Afghanistan signed a deal with China National Petroleum Corporation for the development of oil blocks in the Amu Darya Basin, a project expected to earn billions of dollars over 2 decades. The deal covers drilling and a refinery in the northern provinces of Sa-e-Pol and Faryab and is the first international oil production agreement entered into by the Afghan government for several decades. Production of the Afghan oil began in October 2012, which is expected to increase to 1 million barrels per year in 2013. On October 5, 2018 in Washington, D.C., Afghan officials signed a 30-year contract involving a $56 million investment by investment group Sainter and its operating company Afghan Gold and Minerals Co. for exploration of an area covering 500 square km for copper, with development of mining due to begin thereafter. Communications in and around the province are provided by Afghan Wireless, Roshan, Etisalat, and MTN Group.